Yo, this is what happened on the last episode of Cola Culture. It was dope.
Yo, what's good, guys? What's good, guys? We're back in this alley again. I have good buddy Comac here. What? What's so funny?
No, you're making me laugh.
He's messing up my stuff. All right, but anyway, what's your IG again?
Comac Strickland.
Oh, yeah. Regardless if they have camera skills or not, it's just good to have somebody there to help you out.
Yeah, you're definitely right about that. But peace and love, guys. We're back with another unboxing video and review. Today we have the trophy room. I waited a bit for this one. I wasn't too excited, and being at all the hype that was going on around it, I just kind of was turned off by the shoe. But here we are, and before we get into that, make sure you follow me on the IG, which is Cola Culture. Other one is Colo Kicks. TikTok is Cola Culture, and I have an alternate YouTube channel called Cola Culture Alternative. So make sure you touch all those platforms. Why? Because sometimes I do lives, I do giveaways, and you can get behind the scenes content. Follow me that way. Okay, so back to the trophy rooms. And I guess, as they say, rumor has it
that this shoe has an interesting story.
That's what I was trying to say, Marcus. And I guess, as they say, rumor has it, is Jordan, he got frozen out of his rookie All-Star game. He got like 7 points, a couple dimes, and he was wearing the Chicago's.
Look at those shoes Michael Jordan wears. It's gotten a lot of attention around the league.
And even to this day, this specific shoe has got a lot of attention because 2 weeks before it launched, everybody was on social media with the pair. And I mean everybody. Like, how do you have these pairs? Marcus was blamed for it, and he actually blamed people backdooring pairs like out of the distribution centers. I mean, that's just what I read. So I guess that resulted in them releasing them again, but this time with blue laces. And yeah. So let's go back to that freeze out thing. And if you don't know what freeze out means, that means they purposely didn't pass Jordan the ball because he was the up and coming star, and all the old guys just didn't like it. Okay, let's take a look here. Jordan gets the rebound. He passes it up to Isaiah. Isaiah looks for Bird. Bird doesn't look for Michael. Pretty much a turnover almost happens. Jordan comes through, boom, and gets the basket. And then he turns back to his teammates and says, pass me the damn ball. All right, let's go ahead and get these out of the box. And they do look better in person. In pictures, they look kind of weird because they have that frosting, frozen stuff on it. So in pictures, they didn't really excite me that much. But getting them in hand, they're dope. So got a 9.5 right here. This nice little ticket that makes you feel like you have something vintage. The funny thing is I actually filmed this video already with the whiteboard, but I decided against it because the blackboard looks better. So here's the back of that. I didn't show the back of this with the blackboard. Here it is with the whiteboard. And this just explains how he was frozen out in this little ticket. All right, let's take a deeper look at the sneaker now. And shout out to Zangli1138 for getting these to me. They just were like, yo, we're going to send these to me. I said nothing but thank you and please. So shout out to you guys again. Now, the shoe shape is one thing I noticed that just looks really, really good. Like the overall shape, like the back of it, the side, which I'm not showing at the moment, but I will. It just looks really good. There's the signature. And of course, Jordan didn't wear this shoe back then. He just wore the Chicago's back then. So this is a play on the Chicago pair. And I love the concept of it. I was a little skeptical because of the frozen coating, but it kind of makes the shoe a lot more durable. Like that material doesn't really get dirty, so it's pretty dope. Here's the lateral side, and I'm not going to spend too much time on this. I'm just going to kind of show all the details. I got pair 169, not a bad number to have. This is what they stitched down to the insole, and you don't really feel that when you're walking around in these. You don't feel it. Nike on the tongue, that's always a nice touch. And the back is looking very hourglass-ish. It's just a really, really, really well done sneaker, and it's a good shoe to wear. I'm telling you, if you have these, just wear them. I mean, why not? Here's the frozen milky bottoms. It looks pretty good. The stars, it's okay. Now here's a pair of Chicago's. This is what Mike was actually wearing back in 1984, 85, and this is like one of my top. I wouldn't say top 5. It's like top 8 Jordans of all time. And it's just an iconic style. We don't need to really stay here too much, but this is where they got the inspiration, obviously. And I just kind of wanted to, flex the sneaker a little bit, respectfully. So just let me know down below in the comments, do you think the Chicago is better, the OG, or do you like the trophy room Chicago? Just let me know. Me personally, I don't know. I'm going to probably stick with the OG because I'm an OG and the shoe's too new, and it just, I don't know. And the controversy I didn't like. I'm gonna say the OG today, but that could change. Who knows? As far as the black light, gonna save you guys some time. There wasn't much to find with either pair, actually, with the OG or this beautiful trophy room we have here in my hand. There just wasn't much to find. So no cleanup marks, no busted stitching. There's the rumor has it. I actually forgot to show that earlier, but there it is. The frozen bottoms, nothing to find there. Here's the OG Chicago. Nothing there as well. And before we jump into the on-feed segment next, go ahead and hit the thumbs up real quick.
What's going on, man?
This dude on the right's like, what the hell are these guys doing?
What is he saying?
I don't know. He just gave me this weird look. It's cool.
He did?
It's cool. Hey,
I'm ignoring
we're
him.
doing our thing. Exactly.
I want to put him on film, though.
You do?
Yes. Should I get him?
I mean, why not? Yeah.
Let me try to get him.
Okay.
Let me see. Is he still looking?
I don't know. Oh, I went forward. Don't worry about it. I went forward.
Let me see if I can get him. That's why you gotta have the flip out.
Oh, it's about turning green.
Go.
Did you get him?
Yeah.
The Book of Love, which apparently was the Journals of Christ. Apparently.
The Book of Love?
Yep. That's why there's that old 50s song, Who Wrote the Book of Love? I've never read it. Apparently there's a few
Have you ever been in love?
Yes.
So why would you not read the Book of Love? Just kind of figure out how to work that thing, you know?
I know.
What I mean?
I mean, one would think, yes. All right, here we go. Take a right. Nope, not this one.
You sure?
Yep. Yeah, Coati. It's an animal.
Is this place cool?
Like an impala, Coati.
Like a what?
It's an animal, Coati.
Okay. I mean, what's in here, though? Are you sure we're going to be okay?
Yeah, it's 2 stories. They've got,
What?
alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages.
Can we just walk in here?
I think so. You need a mask?
There's only one in here.
You can take it.
What's good, guys? I know we've been sitting here yapping. We're going to go into this place. I don't really know the plan. I'm not sure if there's going to be some sneakerhead type things going on in here or what. But let's go find out. And I got to do the trophy room on feet somewhere. I don't know if it's going to be inside there or not. And people are going to be kind of looking at you away like, oh, he's got a camera with a little poofy thing on the top. They're going to be like, yo. Plus, I got the trophy rooms on. That's a thing in itself. They're going to be like, yo.
Because they don't, these are definitely retail.
Yeah, those are retail. That was before we got into the whole game.
Oh, yeah.
Those are sick. I still want those.
There you go.
Let's have Zoom in them. Oh,
I
they
don't know.
RSBs.
I don't know. They are RSBs. They are RSBs.
Let's see.
Oh.
Look at that. Oh, look at this. What is this?
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Throw those bad boys on. I don't know what this is going to be like, but we're going to figure it out. Everybody follow Comac Strickland, too.
He's throwing me out. That's what's good. All right. If you need some water, I got you a water bottle, too. I got both of those.
Really? I haven't had any water all day.
See? Yeah, it's a source. Go ahead, man.
What are you doing?
I like that moped. It's got like a Knight Rider thing going. See that? That's dope. Michael Knight.
Oh, that is like Knight Rider.
See, I told you. He's one of our fans, dude.
It's going to be kind of hard for me to talk because we probably have a lot of copyrighted music playing right now. I don't really know how loud it is out here. How loud do you think it is? It's pretty loud. It's pretty loud. I mean, it's a venue. This is what happens. I didn't think that it was going to be like this. I thought it was going to be like, I don't know what I thought it was going to be like, but I thought it was going to be not like this. This is good for the culture. Don't you agree?
Absolutely.
It's good for the culture. There's other content creators out here. There's people with cameras and gimbals.
You hungry?
Yeah, I'm getting there.
You like kimchi?
Kimchi? Not today.
Well, what about sushi?
Sushi?
Yeah.
Is that all they have here is sushi and kimchi?
No, I'm just...
Nothing against sushi or kimchi. It's just like, no fries? I mean, there's nothing wrong with kimchi. I'm thirsty. I'm hungry,
All right.
but I don't want kimchi. Shout out to kimchi.
Yeah.
Shout out to Karushi.
I'm one of his fans.
Who?
Old Soul Era from Denver.
What does he do? DJ?
Yes.
Skateboard?
Yes.
Okay, I just didn't know who he was. I got you.
Okay.
I'm sorry. He's down there right now.
Yeah.
Want me to go shake his hand or something? Get him in the vlog? What do you want me to do?
That would be dope.
Yeah?
Yeah. Soul Era.
Old Soul Air? Like Air Nikes?
Like era, like the era.
Oh, Old Soul Era. Okay. Shout out to Old Soul Era.
It's like
Shout
one
out
word
to my
though.
man
Like,
DJ Craftmatic too for making this happen. And he gave me a shout out. I kind of missed it, but he gave me a shout out. You know what I'm saying? I gotta go talk to him too at some point.
Yeah.
I gotta talk to him. I'm like the worst networker in the world. Like if I networked, I'd be networking. If I was networking. It's freaking loud in here. I think that we are done with living that
once you get it up, it can never be fixed. Was only in this for a burgundy Benz, what it is. In the clutches, your priority shift. Hustle, that's once I needed a lift. Stay in tune with my soul.
Ooh, you were right on that curb, dude. Look at that. Ooh. So that was pretty dope.
it was illa dope.
That was hella dope. Shout out to Illa Dope. Shout out DJ Craftmatic. Shout out Illa Days. They killed
Solera.
it. They killed it.
Don't forget Old Soul Era.
Old?
Yeah, Old Soul Era. Like Old Soul Era. Are you not wearing your seatbelt?
What's you? That's you.
I got mine on.
That's me?
Yeah, that's you.
These roundabouts are always so scary. Vlog's over. Video over. Peace, love, and light. Subscribe. Oh. Subscribe to the Comac Strickland channel. Do you know where you're going?
Yes. Go on the back road.
You say, no, I love it when Comac drives too. Comac drives, it makes it a lot easier. I mean, don't put your seatbelt on, dude.
Nice if you put your seatbelt on.
That's you. That's you. That's you.